Hello students, in this video we'll study the we'll continue the last video in which we discuss Dr. Heidegger's experiment. In this video I'll discuss the theme of the story. In the last video I told you about Nathaniel Hawthorne, and in this video I'll teach you about the theme of the story. Here in the story we are told about a miraculous experiment of a whimsical doctor named Dr. Heidegger. Somehow he had gathered some mysterious water called the water of youth. It was a magical water, a mysterious water, which was called the water of youth, which had power to make someone youth, to make someone young. He wanted to make his experiment of this strange but effective experiment. So, to see the effectiveness of his experiment of the magical water, he invited his 4 old friends named Mr. Madhoun, Colonel Killigrew, Mr. Gascoigne, and one lady named Widow Wycherley. These were the old companions of Dr. Heidegger, and at the very moment they were very old. As he was old, so it was natural for his companions to be old. The doctor took them into his mysterious study room, where they are told about the certain purpose of the doctor. He took them in a mysterious room. They didn't believe that they might be young again by drinking the mysterious liquid of the discovery of the doctor. They were not aware of that discovery or the magic or the mysterious water and its effects. But the doctor displayed an exhibition of the miraculous alteration by putting a withered rose into the pot full of the water of youth. The doctor showed his experiment to impress all those friends by showing them a withered water turning into a withered flower, turning it into a fresh rose flower. Within a short period of the time, the rose bloomed again by getting the freshness of the long last of the 50 years. The rose had been plucked by someone 50 years ago, but with the effect of the water sprinkled on it, or in which he dipped the flower, due to its effect, it got its freshness as it was fresh as the fresh flowers. Its petals looked as they were fresh and full of life. Its color shone with the dazzling brightness. The doctor told them it was the result of that water that made the flower fresh again. In the same way, the doctor was sure that his old friends would regain their golden period, which they had lost All his friends were old now. But they did not believe in the doctor's words. They still didn't have any faith in doctor's words. So they were given 4 glasses full to the brim to drink the water of youth. They lost no time they lost no time in drinking. The water made its work and they felt certain changes in their physiques and minds. They were growing young again. The doctor again gave them another dose of that magical water to drink. They followed the doctor's advice and found themselves in the prime of youth. With the second glass of water which they drank, due to the effect of that magical water, they found themselves in the beginning of their youth again, back in their youth. They had changed physically and mentally. They began to dance. It was a momentary change. They started dancing, but it was a momentary change. Soon they were old again. The experiment of the doctor had been successful, but for a very short span of time. Through the very story, we are conveyed that the man's pleasure is transitory. When they got their youth, they all became very happy and they started thinking that as they were doing their actions in their young age, but it was a momentary change. Soon they again got their old age and felt disappointed. And the story is very suggestive in meaning that human pleasures are not permanent. They will come to an end very soon.